Would you rather open an email with emojis in a subject line or just with a dry, short text? Today we are going to look at this topic and find out whether it is possible and useful to use emojis in your business emails. But before we start, please subscribe to AnyBiz YouTube channel, press like button to support this video, of course, and press bell to get the notification about the new video. Emoticons are bright, cute, and intuitive. Visually, we perceive messages better than if they are encoded text. For millennials and people who like to talk in a casual way, it makes sense and is okay to use special symbols. Many companies strive to speak the same language as their customers. They choose the appropriate tone of voice and define archetype that is close to their customers. This led to the idea of becoming simpler in communication and using emojis along with text messages. There are some general rules to consider if you decide to use emoji. Please be careful not to overdo. If the picture looks like some part of the human body, it is better to exclude it altogether. Splashes of water and other liquids are also perceived ambiguously. Do not take risks. The bananas, peaches and strawberries to the culinary portals where they belong to. Do not insert negative emotions. Your customers have enough of them. Be positive. Do not insert all possible variants of emoticons at once. You will get butter. Check the meaning of images on Emojipedia to make sure that you chose the right one emoji. Let's talk about some positive aspects. A number of test studies have shown that moderate and appropriate use of emojis in email subject lines and promo text increases conversion and other engagement rates by 5–30%, depending on the industry and business specifics. The conversion rate increases by up to 10%, which is not bad. Relevant emoticons will be appropriate in retail email campaigns to make your subject line stand out from the rest of the email mass. It will work especially well if you choose the perfect visualization, as an airplane for an offer to sell air tours, or a cat to advertise a grooming salon. A red dress will definitely attract more attention to the clothing store promotion than dry text. However, do not forget that in addition to emoticons, the subject line and relevance of information are also important for achieving good conversions. But there are also some negative aspects. Let's have a look. When daring to use visual elements in your communication, remember that they are not appropriate in serious business proposals, where rational choice prevails over emotional one. If your organization is engaged in investment business, works with corporate sector of clients, or provides specific services, for example, funerals, humor is not needed here, as well as graphic icons. Special symbols will attract the attention of adult people over 55, but they are unlikely to like them. Rather, they will consider such as presentation of information as a jargon. Remember this if you work in a pharmacy and develop advertising for pensioners. A green face with a tone sticking out on which a dollar is drawn is more likely to be associated with something unpleasant than with a favorable price offer. Think about how your customers communicate. They often insert informal signs into business correspondence. This will help you decide whether emojis are appropriate for your business in an advertising message and email newsletter. Summing up, it is worth nothing that most people have a positive attitude towards non-standard information messages. In a huge stream of emails, it is easier to catch the essence by catching the eyes of a familiar icon than to read the appeal of a few words. Be conscious and emotional to the extent possible. Still puzzled? AnyBiz.io welcomes you and will lead you to a world where email marketing is super easy and composing the perfect sales email takes only a few seconds. Book a call today and find out how can you boost your business today.